Hey guys, we all know the feeling. You've spent days putting together the coolest DIY lighting setup for the holidays. You have everything working, your power tools are humming, the lights are up, you even got the pool on it, everything's on it, and then it pours about 2 weeks later and it all goes to crap. It's all shorting out, it's a fire hazard, or my personal nemesis, the gardener. I don't know what it is with their machines, but they love cutting up my wires and I need to armor them. I want to show you something today that's not a sexy answer, but in traveling to 52 countries, I have learned that the unsexy equipment is frequently the most important. So in front of me here is a variety of products from Flemoon, and I am using these myself to defeat those gardeners. Let me show you how I'm using each of them, how they work, and how they can improve your life. Alright, so this is one of the spots that my gardener has relentlessly attacked, and I've had to splice it back together over and over again, and I'm going to armor it with this, and I'm very excited to defeat him. Okay, so just so you know, these come in a 6-pack, and in case you get confused and you're like, what is this thing? This is the final clip which opens it up. Look at that. And in case you haven't seen these yet, look, it has these little latches which secure onto the wires and keep them from pulling out. So that is brilliant. Let's put this in here. Put the one wire in. You just slide it in there like that, right? This side I'm going to put 2 wires. 1, 2, because these are just landscape wires. These are smaller. Should fit just fine. And I have a mosquito trying to eat me. Welcome to Florida. And, oh, look at this. This is going to fit perfectly. I am so excited. I am so excited not to have to fix this again. Plus, this looks so much better. How cool is this? You definitely need to get this for yourself. But first you need to hit that hype feature right there here on YouTube. Super important. Then you should get this. There's a link here on the screen and one down below. Both work the same way. Neither one costs you anything extra to use those. And if I've added some value to you, please like the video, follow the channel. And if you have any questions about this, let me know. I got 6 more of these I got to install. That is a great fix.